Guangzhou Cymmi Auto Parts Limited Corporation have 3 factories, specializing in the research and production of automotive lights and related supporting products. Over the years, our factory has undergone tremendous growth, expanding our production capacity and diversifying our product range. We have invested heavily in cutting-edge technologies, modern equipment, and skilled personnel to ensure that we meet the ever-evolving needs of our clients. Our commitment to producing high-quality products has earned us a reputation as a trusted partner in the automotive light industry. Motor has grown to become a leader in the industry and has been providing superior quality automotive lighting products and services to customers around the world. Motor's mission is to provide customers with superior products and services to help them succeed in their business.
Our company has a special aging room, mainly used for long-term running tests and some data of the product.
The company is dedicated to improving road safety at night by providing high-quality automotive lighting solutions.
Here is our production line. Regarding quality control on the production line, in addition to daily quality control processes such as incoming materials and pre-shipment inspection, we also specially set up many important quality control processes.
Our factory will arrange the number of production line workers in each area reasonably based on the demand for orders during the off-season and peak season, in order to achieve a reasonable allocation of human resources. Xenon employs a team of highly skilled professionals who are dedicated to ensuring that customers enjoy the best products and services. The company also has a professional team of engineers and designers who work tirelessly to design and develop innovative lighting products that meet market needs and provide OEM and ODM support for customers.
With years of experience in the auto parts industry, Xenon Auto has become a reliable partner for many global customers and has established good relationships with manufacturers and suppliers in China and other parts of the world, which help to provide competitive prices and better services to customers.
Motor is committed to providing excellent customer service and support to customers. The professional team of Motor is always available to offer technical assistance, product recommendations, and professional advice that meet customers' specific needs. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, connect us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.